In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix GCash app not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check internet connection. So launch your control center. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next thing you want to do is clear cache for the app. For that, launch settings. Go to General, click on iPhone storage. Also make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or upload the unused apps. Now find GCash and launch it. Click on Upload app, confirm it, wait for a few seconds and then reinstall it. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next up, check for the updates for the app. So launch your app store, search for the app. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is launch settings, go to General, go to the option, software update. If any updates are available for your device, just update it. Lastly, what you want to do is completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. With these solutions, GCash app should work on your device. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.